Hey guys, it's travel day!
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go.
So it is travel day. We are headed to Orlando for a Disney trip, although we are going to a Universal resort and a Universal park first. Anyway, we are flying from Pittsburgh to Orlando today. We have an 8-month-old, a 2-year-old, and an 11-year-old with myself and my husband and my mother-in-law. So it could be a long, crazy travel day. I did not sleep well last night. You can hear me, I'm a little congested, so I'm just praying that I'm not getting too sick or anything like that. But we are very excited and ready to go. We're leaving in about 20 minutes. We've been waiting for this day for so long. The plan today is to just get to Orlando, head to Cabana Bay Resort, which is a Universal resort, and just check it out, maybe take a swim, and then get to bed early because we are headed to Universal tomorrow. Shuttle to the airport. Where are we going? Where are we going? Disney World.
Why are you growling at me?
Are we at the airport? Emma, we made it through security. Is it scary? It's okay. It's a little train.
Daddy, there's no plane.
We got here way too early. What did we get to eat, Emma? Pretzels. About to board.
Orlando, welcome aboard.
You're doing good, we're flying. Who's that? Who's that? Is that TJ?
This is scary. This is scary.
We're fine. If you know this carpet, you know where we are. Got our car. It is hot, yes. Our luggage fits, barely. No, has a lot of space. Cabana Bay. We're right by the elevators. Got a little kitchenette. We got a little seating area. That's what I'm doing, Scarlett. That's what I'm doing. Are these tables? They move. Oh, they can pull out. Interesting. We got a TV, Emma. Love this style. Hey, you. So we have 2 beds. TJ's. I will make sure he doesn't fall. Oh, look at the alarm clock. Oh, buddy. Another TV in the bedroom. There's some drawers over here. Scarlett's making her own room tour. Nice big drawers. I'm holding TJ, so I'm using my foot.
In-room pizza delivery.
Ooh, been a long travel day. Let's see, I've heard the soap is cool. Oh yeah, it's like retro. So cute. It's very themed for sure. They told us when we checked in that this is like the family resort. You've got a nice bathtub shower here. Oh, more fun little products. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. I would say the vibe's a little different than like a Disney hotel. It was very busy and crowded when we got here, but I think it's gonna be fun. We're here for one night. We're gonna go check out the pool and get some food. We are starving. And I hear there's a bowling alley here. The door closes to the living room. Whoa. That's cool. Scarlett is a vlogger too, huh? You're gonna be in the background of my videos, taking videos. That's fancy. Emma's loving the bed. What is our view?
Parking garage.
Oh, parking garage view. That is.
But then we can also see
The sky
clouds
looks pretty.
and the sky.
Yeah. Scarlett noticed we can see Volcano Bay over there. I think that's what that is. I think. I guess I'm not sure. It could be a lot. It could be another resort. We've got a little closet. Where are we eating?
Bayliner Diner.
Bayliner Diner. Look at my hair. Pants. Thank you. All right, I look rough, but we are headed out to dinner, and I think we're gonna take a quick swim and then get to bed because we gotta get up early tomorrow. It's like tropical vibes. It's like a food court. It's like different stations. You can order food. Looks like they have reusable mugs like Disney. So I'm here with Emma, where everyone else is getting the food. I'm wrangling the littles, but it's really cool in here. We'll see how the food is, huh? Is it cool?
Yes,
It's cool, yes. We've got TJ here too, and then we've got these retro like movies playing. It's so cute. What'd you get, Scarlett?
Alfredo.
You and Emma are gonna share that. I think you might have extra. We'll get everything. Hold on, I'm gonna check out the pizza.
You want to eat the leaf?
Ooh, it looks cheesy.
What do I do with it?
Emma, are you just gonna eat the cheese off of it? Yeah. Hey, Emma. Emma, where are we going? Where are we going?
To the pool.
To the pool! Are you the elevator girl?
We're gonna go check out the other.
You're doing dances. She snuck some of her Diet Coke. I can tell. Spotted our first lizard. No. They are having the time of their lives. This is why we do this.
It's like we're pressing the nut. You know?
Oh, Emma, you're being so brave. The vibe here after dark is super fun. Got all the lights. There's a little slide.
Okay, me and Emma are gonna swim over. Come on.
Said I could go on your back.
You walked over there. I thought you were getting out. Come on. Hey, we're gonna swim over, okay?
3, 2, 1.
All right, Scarlett, what would you rate the pool?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And the splash pad?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was a big hit, huh? We loved the pool. What about dinner?
Probably 6.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd say same. It was kind of so-so. What was your favorite thing today?
Swimming.
Really? Yeah, I liked watching you guys have fun in the splash pad. That was my favorite thing. What was your favorite thing today? Was it the splash, the pool?
The pool.
What was your favorite thing, Luke?
Mine?
Yeah.
Getting here safely with no complications.
Oh. You can kind of see Volcano Bay all lit up. All right, we are back from the pool. We're getting ready for bed. We're all exhausted. That first night, the vibes were so high and the kids were just loving the pool and the splash pad, and it was the perfect way to start our trip. So stay tuned. Next week, I will be sharing our Universal Day with an infant and a toddler. So you'll have to see how that went, and spoiler alert, it wasn't always great. Thank you guys so much for watching our travel day vlog. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun. There's dinosaur eggs in there. Girl's trying her first butterbeer.